Hello everyone, this is another WTF News on Shizzy Lit podcast.
It's WTF News, hosted by OGSB.
From Snoop Dogg to Eminem, here are the 10 richest rappers in the world. Angelia Wasthi, November 17, 2021 at 1742. Rapping and hip-hop go hand in hand. We have so many rappers around the world today picking up this form and creating some great music. But, hey, who is the richest rapper in the world? Let's find out who are these hip-hop legends with the most money. It all started in the 1970s in the Bronx, New York City, where the host of the show entertained the guests between DJ sets, which evolved into longer performances. While we Indians got a taste of it in the 1990s, by Punjabi rapper Baba Sehgal, Harjit Singh Sehgal. And today it continues to be a part of our music. Here are some of the richest rappers in the world. 1. Snoop Dogg, $150 million net worth. The first name that comes to my mind is Snoop Dogg. Calvin Curtis Herbrotis Jr., aka Snoop Doggy, Dogg or Snoop Lion, is an American rapper, songwriter, producer, media personality, entrepreneur, and actor. It all began in 1992 when he was discovered by Dr. Dre and was soon featured within Dr. Dre's very first solo album, The Chronic. Up till now he has sold more than 35 million albums worldwide. With almost 30 years in the industry. He is also a 17-time Grammy Award nominee, American Music Award, BET Award, Emmy Award nominee. Not to mention, his charming laid-back personality also attracts a huge fan base all across the world. If it's flipping hamburgers at McDonald's, be the best hamburger flipper in the world. Whatever it is you do, you have to master your craft. Snoop Dogg 2. Drake, $150 million net worth. One of the highest paid entertainers in the world, Drake is second on the list. Aubrey Drake Graham is a Canadian rapper, singer, songwriter, record producer, and actor. He gained fame at the age of just 24 when he released his first hit single, Best I Ever Had. Apart from rapping, he also owns his own liquor brand, a clothing line, and a big real estate portfolio. According to a report in Forbes, Drake's fortune grew 50% over the past year, boosted by holdings ranging from real estate to his Virginia Black whiskey, as well as a lucrative two-new residency at the XS nightclub in Las Vegas. Sometimes it's the journey that teaches you a lot about your destination. Drake 3. Kanye West, $240 million net worth. Kanye West legally changed his name to Ye after a Los Angeles court approved his application. He is an American rapper, songwriter, record producer, fashion designer, and entrepreneur. He started his career in music as a producer for Rockefeller Records. Kanye also wrote songs for famous singers like Jay-Z. And finally made his debut with the album The College Dropout in 2004. Perhaps he also holds many lucrative partnerships with brands like Adidas. Kanye reportedly receives around $100 million in royalties yearly for his Yeezy line. I was never really good at anything except for the ability to learn. Kanye West 4. Diddy, $900 million net worth. Sean Combs, aka Diddy, or P. Diddy, holds a net worth of $900 million. Diddy also owns his clothing brand and stakes in companies such as Keurig Vodka, Revolt TV, and Aquahydrate. This man knows the business of making money very well, as he is not only a successful rapper but also a record executive, record producer, and entrepreneur. He has earned himself a funny name called Money Making Mitch, 3-time Grammy Award winner, 2-time MTV Video Music Award winner, 2-time BET Hip Hop Award winner. Just excels in everything he does. Success doesn't just land on your lap. You have to work, and work. Some more. Sean Combs 5. Jay-Z, $1.3 billion net worth. From a drug dealer in the streets of Brooklyn to one of the greatest rappers, Jay's journey is laudable. Sean Corey Carter, aka Jay-Z, is a very renowned name in the rap industry. Known for his distinctive voice, he is also the first hip-hop billionaire and recipient of 23 Grammy Awards. Jay made his first appearance in 1989, and there's no going back, as he is one of the best-selling musicians of all time. I mean, 100 million records just prove it. He is an American rapper and entrepreneur from Brooklyn, New York. Did you know? The majority of his net worth comes from his smart investments in clothing lines, record companies, nightclubs, and more. I will not lose, for even in defeat, there's a valuable lesson learned, so it evens. Up For Me, Jay-Z 6. Dr. Dre, $780 million net worth. Andre Ramel, aka Dr. Dre, is known as one of the best hip-hop producers of all time. Dre started his career with NWA in the 80s, and then created solo music. He is famous for his solo debut studio album The Chronic, which was released in the year 1992. But Dre made a majority of his money as a producer. Dre's Aftermath Entertainment record label has nurtured many, including Eminem, Kendrick Lamar, and 50 Cent. The most successful entertainer of the decade is also the founder of the Beats by Dr. Dre series. He later sold it to Apple for a whopping $3 billion in 2014. You just have to find that thing that's special about you that distinguishes you from all the others, and through true talent, hard work, and passion, anything can happen. Dr. Dre 7. Eminem, $230 million net worth. We need no introduction for this one. Marshall Mathers, aka Eminem, also called Slim Shady, is the most popular rapper of our time. He started his career in 1996 and got famous in 1999 under Dr. Dre. 15-time Grammy Award winner, Academy Award, 12-time MTV Video Music Award winner, 17-time Billboard Music Award winner, 8-time American Music Award winner. You can keep adding on to his achievements because he is only flourishing. Eminem also opened a restaurant called Mob Spaghetti. He majorly earns from his two record labels, and also Shady Records, which adds to his net worth. The truth is, you don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. Life is a crazy ride, and nothing is guaranteed. Eminem 8. Pharrell Williams, $155 million. Net worth. Pharrell Williams is a singer-songwriter, rapper, record producer, and film producer. He started his career in music in 1990, launching a production company called the Neptunes. The lead vocalist of hip-hop and rock band NERD gave him a lot of success. He has never been just a rapper. Pharrell has designed sunglasses, jewelry, and sneakers for brands like Adidas, Louis Vuitton. He is the owner of the media venture I Am Mother, a multimedia creative collective and record label that serves as an umbrella for all of Pharrell Williams' ventures. You don't know what people are looking for. What you know is what you feel like might be missing. It's up to the people to agree with you or disagree with you, and you'll know in their reaction. Pharrell Williams 9. Nicki Minaj, $100 million net worth. The Sass Queen Nicki Minaj is a Trinidadian-born American rapper, singer, songwriter, model, and actress. She is also described as one of the greatest female rappers of our time. 5-time MTV Video Music Award winner, 4-time People's Choice Award winner, 8-time American Music Award winner, 10-time Grammy Award nominee, 8-time Bet Hip Hop Award winner. Indeed, she is a true pop icon. Did you know? Nicki Minaj was rejected from 15 jobs consecutively for being rude. Apart from this, she also endorses brands like MAC Makeup, H&M, Fendi, and Mattel, among others. Initially, Nicki struggled to be an actress until she was discovered by fellow rapper Lil Wayne. Apart from this, she also endorses for brands like MAC Makeup, H&M, Fendi and Mattel, among others. When I win and when I lose, I take ownership of it, because I really am in charge of what I do. Nicki Minaj 10. Lil Wayne, $170 million net worth. Wayne Carter, aka Lil Wayne, has been a part of the music industry since he was a child. He is an American hip-hop recording artist and author from New Orleans, Louisiana. At the age of 9, Lil Wayne was rapping for Cash Money Records and mentored Birdman. 5-time Grammy Award winner, 16-time Bet Hip Hop Award winner, 2-time MTV Video Music Award winner, 4-time Billboard Music Award winner. His success story is truly an inspiration. Being an author, he also writes for several columns in different newspapers. Lil Wayne's earnings mainly come from his music. Lil's debut album, The Block Is Hot, gave him success. He is considered one of the greatest rappers of all time and one of the most influential pop culture icons as well. Hate is only a form of love that hasn't found a way to express itself logically.
Shilly Mo, brother, be pardon. I said, bitch, bigger pardon. Don't make me call my squad and made it, baby. Shilly Mo, brother, be litty. Fucking up the city. You need to come get with me, baby. Cause I be pardoned it up, and I be squatting it up. You know that we give no fuck.
It's WTF News, hosted by OGSB.